loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today is going to be a review on the new e.l.f. baked highlighters.
POV.
If I'm moved too quick, that's you, I would think it's my affection. Being cold, she isn't close enough. You could tell every time we touch, every time we up. Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One bedroom, really hard.
So the new e.l.f. Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighters retail for $9. I picked up the shades Soft Pearl Era and Prosecco Poppin. So the claims of this product, according to e.l.f., it's ultra silky, a soft touch powder highlighter with a luminous finish. It has a finely milled micro shimmer that blends seamlessly into the skin for a lit from within look. Also claims to be a long-lasting formula with a cake-resistant and crease-resistant without the greasy feel. So now I'm going to be swatching the products, and first one I'm going to be swatching is a Soft Pearl Era. This is a pinky vanilla shade. I picked up the two shades that I felt like I was going to utilize them the most. I'm not used to these e.l.f. prices. $9 for a highlighter is a little bit steep. Not for drugstore at all, but for e.l.f. I personally think. But yeah, I'm just not used to the prices still. But this is Soft Pearl Era. Upon swatching them, they swatched differently when you're going in with your hand versus a brush, which is, I mean, to be expected. When I swatched them with my finger, they honestly felt a little bit, or they swatched a little bit dull, but they still had that pigment there, and I was very hopeful. And as you guys will see, once I apply it to my face, it looks a lot more shimmery. This one is Prosecco Poppin. This is my favorite one. I picked up the other one to more so highlight certain areas like my inner corner. This one is going to be for my skin tone, and it looks beautiful. But yeah, when I was filling the product, it does feel very, very smooth. Baked powders can very easily feel very dry, and this one does feel very cooling. It feels very hydrating. It doesn't feel very creamy though. It does definitely still feel like a powder, but yeah, I really enjoy the way that it did feel. So now to go on to my personal thoughts and me actually using the product. So first I'm going to be using Prosecco Poppin for my cheeks and around my face. And I'm going to be using the new e.l.f. highlighter brush. First thoughts on this highlighter brush, or quick thoughts. I really enjoyed this highlighter brush. And I haven't used e.l.f. brushes in a pretty good time. And I need to start again because I loved it. And yeah, so this is how Prosecco Poppin looked. I think it is very pretty. It's very pretty. I will say it did emphasize my pores, which is to be expected. I have very large pores. And I did use a skin tint that was more luminous, but I needed to add the luminosity back to my skin after powdering my face. So I wanted to use these highlighters. And yes, it does make the skin look very glowy. Like, it looks very good. I will say though, I like a little bit more of a metallic finish versus more of a shimmer finish that emphasizes pores a little bit more. But yeah, it's not the worst highlighter that I used. I would definitely continue using these, especially for my inner corner, because I loved it for my inner corner. But other than that, I don't think I'd use it that much for the face all the time. Maybe for my nose, maybe for my forehead. But for my cheeks, I'll definitely have to reach in for another product. You can also use these to make any of your lip products more frosty. That could also be really cute. These are just other ways that you guys could use them if you don't necessarily like them for one certain part of your face. Yeah, and as you can see on here on my nose, it looks really, really cute. I just do not like it for my cheeks where I do have my biggest pores. And yeah, for $9, not bad at all. I guess it depends on your budget. If you are going to spend $9 on a highlighter, you might as well pick another highlighter. But if this is what you can find, I'm sure you will not be disappointed in what you get. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.